So this video shows the cleaning and maintenance of our standard traps. So with the lifting tool provided, just lift off the metal cap, put that to one side. That'll expose the dip tube and bucket that creates the 50mm water seal in the standard trap. These bits are both removable by hand, or you could use the lifter tool. Rinse both of these out. You might find that there's hair trapped in the bucket. Put them under a tap and clean them. If they are stubbornly dirty, maybe a weak mix of bleach and water. Always remember, you've got a rubber seal around the dip tube. When you put that back in, once it's been cleaned, make sure that seals in correctly. The same removal might be required, whether it's a vinyl or a tiled top. So to clean this one out, you want to flush it through. So remove the non-return valve. And this is a hair catcher. So take this piece out, pull all the hair off of there, put that to one side. And this is the non-return valve. So you want to get this under a tap, rinse it out, get rid of all the muck, clean it with some soft soapy water. If it's really stubborn, maybe use a very weak diluted bleach mix, but do rinse it in fresh water afterwards. And just place that one back in, and then afterwards put the hair catcher back in. So that shows the removal of the vital parts of the drain. Please follow the drain cleaning advice on all of the installation instructions.